How to clean the house with cinnamon to eliminate bad vibes. Cinnamon, a very common spice in daily life, due to its use in food and its intense and pleasant smell, is also a powerful element of spirituality. This magical element also has medicinal properties and is used in patients with type 2 diabetes. It opens the appetite, reduces aerophagia and acidity, and helps in the treatment of colds and respiratory problems. This spice is also used to cleanse bad energy and as an intense aphrodisiac. And it is that, over the years, cinnamon has been used in numerous religions, always for positive spiritual purposes such as warding off bad vibes and sweetening hearts. Well, cinnamon is an excellent energy element, especially to clean houses of negative energies and to attract good luck. Using it you will achieve very positive spiritual results. It is even said about his powers that placing a cinnamon stick on the door of the house will protect us from envy and bad omens. Mixing cinnamon powder and honey to attract love ignites passion. Sprinkling cinnamon on shoes calls for good luck for business and abundance. But to eliminate bad energies from our home, we use cinnamon in different ways. 1. Burn pieces of a cinnamon stick so that its smoke clears. This smoke purifies and cleans all rooms and also drives away bad vibrations or negative energies. First, we must thoroughly clean all the rooms to prevent dirt and dust from stagnating the good vibes. Then we place a cinnamon stick in each part of the house and light it so that the smoke eliminates all the bad energies. By spreading the smoke we obtain great benefits because this is a powerful purifier. It allows the vibrations to flow so it is always in motion through its mysterious curves. 2. Cinnamon water to clean the house. As long as we clean our home, we can add a little cinnamon to the water that we use to carry out this cleaning. Because in this way we will not only leave a wonderful smell in our home, but we will also do an excellent job of spiritual purification. When scrubbing or mopping the floor with cinnamon we activate good energy. You will feel the difference in the environment. Once everything is very clean, we open the windows wide and air all the rooms, so the dense accumulated air that charges the environment will disappear. We must do this cleaning at least once a week. 3. Spiritual cleaning of objects with cinnamon. If we perceive that we do not sleep well and that the environment is heavy, we can do an energetic cleaning in the bedrooms. For example, we can turn the mattress and pass it with cinnamon incense smoke or white sage. This way we will eliminate the bad energies accumulated in our habitation. Also, the objects of our house must be purified, the ornaments and those that are mainly in sight, since they are usually impregnated with energies and collect all kinds of vibes. We must not forget the antiques that we have at home, the borrowed or second-hand objects. We must perform an energetic cleaning on these. We can purify them with cinnamon incense and sea salt water to eliminate negativity. 4. Boil water with cinnamon so that the steam purifies the house. To purify each habitation of the home we put a pot with water on the fire until it reaches its boiling point. Then, an hour gave cinnamon powder or branch and covered the pot. When the mixture boils, we uncover the pot so that the steam floods all the spaces in the home. And thus we carry out a spiritual cleansing and eliminate negative energy residues from any corner.